Alright guys, we're currently around Albertine. We're at South Hill. So we're doing the Polo. It's a Polo 6 but with the Vivo engine. So these engines are all the same. 1.4, 1.6, they're all the same. So yeah, we started with the engine flash on the car. We're doing the major repair, we're doing the timing chain, we're doing major service, water pump. Yeah, we're doing a whole lot of things. So you can see it's already stripped. So one thing that I've liked about this engine, it was very clean, so it was less work for us. So yeah, that's a good thing. So yeah guys, as always, we always show you the old parts and the new parts. So we've got the service part, we've got the spark plugs, air filter, oil filter, and the pollen filter. And then this side we've got the new plugs. It's original with all parts, oil filter, air filter, and the pollen filter. And we have the water pump. Even that side we've got the water pump. And yeah, this is the timing chain. So normally when we do the timing chain, you always replace this. We don't put grease here guys, or I mean silicone here. We replace it with a new one. So we've got a new one, and we've got the chain, the sprockets and everything, and then the timing belt. So yeah guys, we're doing the major repair, and we're currently setting the batteries. You can see there it's original with all parts. So yeah, if you want them you can call us. So yeah, this cover normally I always clean it. It's a timing cover. I clean it. You can see it's nice and clean there. So yeah, that's it. So we're good to go guys. We're at Albertine. We're doing our second last car for the day. We still have 2 more cars. Hopefully we can manage. Where works, you can try us anytime. Thank you.